Hello students, so we're continuing with the same unit, data structure, and from the chapter linked list and stack. So in the previous video I discussed about evaluating of postfix notation to infix and infix to postfix. So today we'll all discuss about infix to postfix and postfix to infix in a different way. Okay, so in the first case we have convert the following infix to postfix expression. So we have three examples. In the first one we have a plus b minus c. So this is infix expression. As you can see, that how do you know it is an infix is because like between two operands or between two variables we have an operator, we have a binary operator. So always there will be an arithmetic operator, a binary operator in between the two operands. So we have to convert it into this format, that is postfix notation. As you know that in a postfix notation the operands are written before the operators. So the operators are written, or it is written after the operands. So this indicates that these operands, the operands before the operators will be evaluated by the operators. Similarly, like this operator will evaluate on this operand. So in order to understand this, okay, I have explained here. So let me just go through this. So first a is passed to the output. So if you have that stack diagram, right, like in the previous videos I have drawn the diagram. So similarly like that, the explanation is here. So first, when we have to convert this infix to postfix, so a, when it is presented in the stack, so a will be passed to the output, or it is printed out first. So a is displayed here. Then after that, with it comes to plus. So this plus is pushed into the stack. Since it is an operator, it is pushed into the stack. Then next comes b. So b is again pushed to the output because b is an operand. So it will be pushed to the output. So we have the output ab. Now keep in mind that plus is still inside the stack. So plus is still not printed out. So now next we have after b is minus. So since minus is of lower priority than plus, so inside the stack minus cannot be on top of plus. So minus cannot be on top of plus. So before minus is entered into the stack, plus is popped out. Okay, so the plus operator is popped out and then passed to the output. So plus is passed to the output. So we have ab plus. Then after minus, then minus is pushed into the stack. So in the stack, the stack is not empty. Inside the stack, minus operator is there. Next after that we have c. So c is passed to the output since it is an operand. So we have ab plus c, right? So now after c, no more operands, no more operand and operators are there to be read, right? So what happened is next will be minus will be pushed, or minus will be popped out from the stack and it will be pushed to the output. So now stack will become empty. So now since stack is empty, so this output will be displayed, that is ab plus c minus. Okay, so in postfix notation there is no precedence level of the operators. Okay, so there's no hierarchy system in the operators in postfix notation. Now next we have to convert this a plus b, this infix expression a plus b into c minus e into f. So the answer is abc into plus ef into minus. So as you can see that plus comes first and multiplication comes second, right? So actually it should come like that, but how do we get this? So I have explained here. Okay, so first in the stack a is read and then a is passed to the output since it is an operand, right? Then next plus, since it is an operator, so it is pushed into the stack. So the stack is filled up with the first element, that is plus. So after that b is read and then b, since it is an operand, so it is passed to the output. So we have ab. Now plus star symbol, that is multiplication symbol asterisk, is compared now with the plus. So since star is higher than plus, so it is pushed into the stack. So after plus, on top of that, it will be the inside the stack. After plus, it will be the asterisk symbol. Next, C is read and then it is passed to the output. So we have ABC. Then minus again is read, and since minus is lower than asterisk, okay, so that means we have plus, we have asterisk, and then we have minus. So minus cannot be pushed into the stack because asterisk is higher than minus. So minus cannot be on top of the star. So now star is popped out and then it is passed to the output. Clear? So here we have ABC star. Then next, minus is compared with plus. Since the plus symbol is still inside the stack, right? So minus will be compared with the plus, and since plus is higher than the minus symbol, so plus operator is popped out and then pushed to the output. So we have ABC star plus. Okay, then after that minus is entered into the stack. So inside the stack we have the minus symbol. Then again E is read and then it is passed to the output since it is an operand. Then star symbol is read and then pushed into the stack because star is higher than minus, right? So star symbol will be on top of the minus symbol. Then F is read and then F is passed to the output. Okay, since after that, since no more operands and operators are there after F, okay, so whatever is left inside the stack will be popped out. So since it is on a last entered, okay, last in first out, okay, so the last operator that was entered was star, so star is popped out first. After that minus is popped out second, so that those two operators are pushed to the output. So now stack is empty and this output will be displayed. All right, the third one, the infix expression is A into B plus C divided by D. So we have to get this output AB star CD, division symbol and plus. So first A is passed to the output. So A is read and then passed to the output since it is an operand. Next, asterisk symbol is read and then it is pushed into the stack. So now inside the stack we have the asterisk symbol. Next, B is read and then it is passed to the output. So we have AB. Right, now star is still inside the stack. Okay, then plus symbol is read, but since plus is lower than star, so star asterisk is popped out and then passed to the output. So we have AB star. So now plus symbol is pushed into the stack. So inside the stack we have the plus symbol. Then C is read and then it is passed to the output. The division symbol, okay, it is read and then passed into the stack because the division symbol is higher than plus. So after plus, above that will be the division symbol. Next, D is read and then passed to the output. So after D, no more operators, no more operands are there, right? So the remaining operators will be popped out from the stack. So division will come first since it is the last, and then plus will come since it is the first element, right? Since it is in the first element. So now stack will become empty and you will get this output. All right, so practice on this, go through this from infix to postfix expression. Okay, next we have to convert the postfix to infix expression. So this is the postfix notation, that is a b plus c minus. We have to convert it into infix, that is a plus b minus c. So here, as you can see that a and b are added by plus. So as you know that the operator is written after the operand, so whichever operands are written just before the operators will be evaluated by that operator. So a b will be added by plus, and then so we get a plus b, right? And then the result of that will be subtracted by c. So the minus operator comes first and then c will be written. All right, again, next we have this postfix expression, that is ab plus c into d minus. So here you can see that within the parenthesis a plus b is written, and then multiplication c minus d, because here first a and b are added. So according to the serial wise, first a and b are added by plus. Now parenthesis is used because if we do not use the parenthesis here, okay, then when this infix notation is processed, okay, the uh, the the multiplication symbol has the higher precedence, so it will evaluate b into c first. So as per the postfix notation, a and b should be added first. That's why this parenthesis is used, because the parenthesis has the highest priority, so it is of higher precedence level than the multiplication symbol. So because of this parenthesis, a plus b will be added first, and the result of that will be multiplied with c, and then the result of that will be subtracted with d. So since multiplication symbol has higher precedence than minus, okay, so we don't need to use parenthesis here, right? Okay, so next we have this postfix notation ab minus c minus d minus. So we have to get the answer in infix as a minus b minus c minus d. So this is a simple step-by-step sequence flow. As you can see, first a and b is subtracted first, and then the result is subtracted with c. So here no need to use parentheses, because since all the operators are minus symbol and they have the same priority, so as per this, minus will be subtracted with a minus b, and then the result of ab will be subtracted with c. Okay, and then once you get that value, it will be subtracted with d, with this, using this minus operator. Yeah, so that way the infix notation flows sequentially. Clear? So practice on these two postfix to infix and infix to postfix expression, and in the solve exercises, the tables, the remaining tables, that is the evaluate the postfix notation and then conversion of infix to postfix and postfix to infix. Okay, practice on those tables. Those are very important. Okay, then yeah, practice on this format also. Clear? So if you have any doubts on this, okay, you can ask me.